Plants can reproduce in many ways. Most of the plants that we see around us reproduce through seeds. Some plants can reproduce from body parts such as leaves, stems, and roots. Ferns and mosses reproduce from tiny seeds like structure called spores. New plants arise from these spores. Reproduction from stem. You may have seen new shoots emerging from potatoes or ginger stored in your kitchen, right? Potatoes and ginger are underground stem. Can this grow into new plants? Let us do one experiment. Take a potato and observe it carefully. You will find that it has several small birds on it. We call them eyes. New plants grow from these birds. The ginger plant grows from buds. The onion is a bulb, an underground stem with fleshy leaves. New plants grow from onion buds. Sometimes farmers and gardeners grow new plants from this piece of stem. These pieces have one or two buds on them are called stem cutting. Rose, hibiscus, bonville, sugarcane, and crotons can be grown from stem cutting. Strawberry plants have long stems that run along the ground. These are called runners. New plants grow from these runners. Reproduction from leaves. The bienophyllum plants have thick and fleshy leaves. The leaves have buds along the edges. New plants grow from these buds. When the leaves drops down to the ground, the buds grow into the adult plants. Reproduction from roots. The roots of some plants such as sweet potato and carrot produce new plants. Support a new sweet potato in a jam bottle full of water using thick picks and as shown. Note how many days it will take for the plants to grow. Reproduction from seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Seeds are usually found inside fruits. They are of different shapes and size. New plants grow when seeds fall on the soil and germinate. Now let us try to understand the structure of seed. Take a few seeds of beans or chana. They have hard and dry, cannot be broken easily, right? Soak these seeds in water and leave them overnight. Take a soaked seed and look at it carefully. Is it softer and swollen up? Why so? The seed absorbs water and swells up. The thick outer covering called seed coat protects all seed. One side of the seed is a scare. This is where the seed was attached to the fruit. Near the scare is a small hole. The hole allows water to enter and make its seed swell up. Now carefully remove the seed coat. This seed has two seed leaves called cotyledons. Between the cotyledons is the baby plant called embryo. The embryo contains a baby shoot and a baby root. The seed leaves protect the baby plant. They also store food for the baby plant. The seeds do not have two cotyledons. Some, such as corn, have only one cotyledon. Do you know what do seeds need for germination? When seeds get enough water, air, and warmth, they grow into new plants. They do not grow if one of these is missing. Seeds use the food stored in the cotyledons to grow. The growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. The baby plant is known as seedling. Now let us see wind dispersal. Seeds that are scattered by wind are usually small and light. Dandelions, and cotton seeds have long and fine hair surrounding them. This makes it easy for the wind to carry the seeds away. Some seeds, such as maple and drumsticks, have wings attached to them. This will help them to float in air. Now let us see how seeds are dispersed by water. Seeds of plants that grow in or near floating water may be dispersed by water. These plants have fruits and seeds that can float in water. For an example, water lily, lotus, and coconut. The coconut fruit has air trapped in between its husk. This makes it light and easy to float. Now see how animals helps in dispersal. We enjoy eating fleshy fruits such as mango, papaya, cherry and guava, right? After eating, we throw these seeds away. This is one way of helping plants to disperse their seeds. Birds and animals also eat seeds along with fruits. The seeds are small and hard, and they come out of the body as waste, ready to grow. Seeds and guava and berries are dispersed in this way. Some seeds have stiff hair, spines, or hooks. This enables the seeds to stick to our clothes or bodies of animals. Now let us see how seeds are dispersed by explosion. Fruits of plants such as balsam, pea, or touch-me-not burst open or explode when they are dry, scattering these seeds away from the mother plant. Now watch this video carefully to understand dispersal by explosion.